Hey, how's it going? So, as you know, Amazon has blocked a lot of apps on Amazon Fire Stick devices in 2026. So today I'll show you how to get unlinked on your Fire Stick, as well as the best code to use there. This way you will be able to jailbreak your Fire Stick, or in other words, load loads of apps that are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And those are the apps that still do work on Fire Sticks in 2026. And without any further ado, the first step is you need to get the app code downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free, just go to search on your device. So right here we opened the search bar, and then you need to start typing downloader in here. So that's what we are doing right now. Usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on downloader, and here's that orange application, which you'll need to get to your device. But then, after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because we'll still need to set it up. To do so, we'll go to settings, so click that button with a gear icon right here, open the settings on your device, and then the next step is open My Fire TV. So open it. Now from here, you'll need to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now, for me, at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options now. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then we'll go to the installation of unknown apps, and from here you just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So head back to a list of apps on your device, locate downloader, there it is, and before actually using downloader, there's one more step that I always recommend doing. It is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All we have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just get back into a list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate downloader, here it is, and turn this application on. There at the top, there is a search bar. So we'll need to enter it together. So open the search bar, and now it's time to enter a code, a link, to get the unlinked application to your Fire Stick. It's gonna be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it is unlinked.link. So just enter it together with me. If you need to go slower, then feel free to press pause and make sure to enter the link correctly without making any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link will not open. After that, click next, and while it's loading, make sure to hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. Or subscribe my channel for more content about Fire Sticks. Then, this web page will open up, so you have to scroll down a little bit. And then there is that button which says Download APK Android. That is the button we have to click, because Fire Sticks are Android-based devices. So click on that button, and now the download of Unlinked has started. Usually takes just a couple of seconds to finish the download of the app. Now let me move my camera a bit below, so you would see that installation button right here. Click Install, and just give it a couple of moments for the app to finish the installation process. After that, do not click Open yet. It's better to press Done, because that way you get that option to delete the installation files that are not needed anymore on your device. So click Delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. Then the next step is we actually have to get back to settings one more time. So click on the settings right here, open them, go to My Fire TV. Again, you'll have to open Developer Options, go to Installation of Unknown Apps, and this time we'll have to locate Unlinked and turn this option on as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to get other apps from the internet for you. So that is why it's important to keep this application and this option turned on for Unlinked. Then, when you return to a list of apps on your device, Unlinked usually will appear right here at the back of the list. So what I recommend doing is hold down the center button on your remote, and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and that way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. So it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Then the most important step is, of course, to never forget to keep your VPN connected and running. As I said previously, in my case, it's NordVPN. If you don't have it yet, just follow the link below this video or in the pinned comment of this video to get 3 months of VPN for free. Then let's go and open up Unlinked finally. So actually today I'll show you not one code, but quite a lot of codes that you can use in the Unlinked application. That way you'll be getting even more different applications to your device. And as you know, sometimes some apps are getting blocked, so it's just a good idea to have more than one library on your Fire Stick. So the first step is to click on Add a New Library right here, and now we'll just need to enter a code. So the first code is going to be Xenonetic. So let's enter that together. It's Xenonetic. Enter it as you see on my screen, and that is the first code. So make sure to enter it as you see and click Next. So now I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications that are available in here. But of course, in your case, it will not be blurred. And so there's a lot of different applications out there. All kinds of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, media players, IPTV players, some utility applications like web browsers, and so on. So there's loads of amazing apps in this alternative app store, so I highly recommend it. And as I said, it was just the first code that we got, and now we are going back to enter even more codes. So just click on the back button on your remote now, and now it is time to enter another code, which this time is going to be Fire TV Guru. So once again, it's Fire TV Guru. There is the way you have to enter this second code, and then just like previously, click Next. Again, as previously, I had to blur out the screen for the same reason as before. So that is the second alternative app store or a second code in today's list. Once again, with loads of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, and all kind of applications like that. So each app store that we are going to go through today is unique. Each one has some unique applications or different versions of some apps. So it might be a good idea to test all of those codes that we're going to go through. And there are still 3 more codes, I believe, remaining for today. So just go and take a look at this app store yourself, and when you are done, it's time to enter another code. Now, the next code we are going to enter will be everything as a word. So just enter everything, just like that. Here we go. So once again, it is just a word everything. Click next. And now we've got access to that third alternative app store today. So it is also pretty nice, got a lot of useful applications that you might be interested in. So as always, I'll be just blurring out my screen. So don't worry, in your case, everything will be, of course, accessible and not blurred. So that is the code number 3, and let's proceed with 2 more codes today. The next code is Fire Stick, as a word again. So yeah, that's pretty simple. That's the name of the device you are using, unless you're using Android box or something similar. So it's Fire Stick, just like that. Enter the word and click next. That's the code number 4 already, so we are pretty close to the end of this video. Once again, pretty nice code, a lot of different applications that might come in handy for you. Quite a lot of sports app, to be honest, probably the most of sports apps compared to other applications, to the other alternative app stores that we have reviewed previously. And quite a lot of different media players as well. So if you need some kind of media or IPTV player, that might be a good alternative app store for you. And yeah, let's go back to review the last code today. And now let's just enter the last code. So just follow me while I do enter the code. And here's the last code for today. So it's the code number 5. Let's hit the next button to proceed to the alternative app store. So that is an alternative app store that belongs to a content creator who also has a channel on YouTube. So obviously those codes are not mine. I'm just reviewing the app stores that are available and accessible online and combining them in one video, as it's quite convenient to have all the codes in one location instead of having to go through all the internet to find them all. So that is another 5th app store for today, probably one of the best that you might find in 2026. So if the video is helpful, make sure to hit the like button below this video or subscribe my channel to get more content like that. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.